Hello and welcome back guys to Solidworks tutorials. In today's video we will create a new part. So simply select here new and go to parts, click OK. This is the drawing of the part. This is the isometric view of the part. So select here plain white background. Now select top plane and click sketch. Now select a center point straight slot. Choose the first point as the origin. Click here. Drag it to the left and click here. Now drag it along the radius like this. Move the cursor along the radius. Now click OK. Now the slot has been created. Now select corner rectangle and create two rectangles, one from here and second from this point. OK. Right click and exit. This sketch. Now select circle, create two circles. Right click and exit. Now make these two circles equal. Make equal relation. Now assign dimensions. First, trim the unnecessary lines. Select trim entities. Make sure power trim is on. Now hold down your left mouse button and drag the cursor over the unnecessary lines like this. It will destroy the slot entity. Click OK. Again. OK. Now select smart dimension. Now the center to center distance is 100 mm. This is 25 mm. This arc is also 25 mm radius. Drag this line upward. Select this point and this point. Make horizontal relation. Now select this line and this center point. Make it 40 mm. Now select this line and hold down Control key and select this line. Make equal relation. Also make these two lines equal. These two arcs also equal. This circle 30 mm diameter. Now I can see the sketch is still underdefined. Now right click on the center line and select midpoint and select the origin point. Make coincident. Again give the dimension here also. You can see these lines are still underdefined. Simply select this line and this arc. Make tangent relation and select this line and this arc. Make tangent relation. Okay, make it horizontal. Okay. Now go to feature and select extruded boss base. This part is 10 mm, not mentioned here. Make it 10 mm. Okay. Now again select the top plane, sketch, normal. We will create this outer part. So simply select center point straight slot. Now this time create two straight slot, or try another way, like select offset entities. Now the offset distance should be 10 mm. See, this distance is 10 mm, so make here 10 mm and make these box check. Now select this line and make it reverse. Click OK. You can see. Now select this line and this edge, make collinear. Now assign the radius. $50 radius. Okay, something is center points. The center points are same, so make it 100 mm. Now go to feature and select extruded boss base. Now make it 50 mm. Click OK. Now select front plane and sketch, normal. Now select lines. Select this point, here, and close the sketch. Now you can see a triangle has been created. Now assign dimensions. This line, select this line and this edge. Select this line and click on this point. Now select this axis, make it 10 degree. Now go to feature and select extruded cut. Make direction through all both. Click OK. See, the upper part has been created. Now let's create the middle portion, or we can simply create the lower portion as well. Select top plane, sketch, normal. Again create a center point 3 slot. Dimension. Select this midpoint. Oh, sorry. First delete the relation of midpoint here. Now create two circles. Mark this dimension 200. Sorry, 100 mm. Now select this one. Okay, let's delete the circle. Again create a circle at this point. (50 mm) outer radius and inner two circles are 30 mm. Make these circles equal relation. Make equal. Now go to feature and select extruded boss face. Now you can see there is a gap of 65 mm here, and this part is 15 mm. So in the from region here, select offset, make it 65 mm in the reverse direction, and in the direction 1 make it 15 mm and make it reverse in the negative y direction. See, negative downwards. Click OK. Now let's give the middle these two supports. Simply select this face and click sketch, normal. Now select line and select this point and anywhere point here and select this point. Create a parallelogram like structure. Now make these two lines parallel. Make parallel. Now make the dimension 50 mm assigned. Okay, define this only 25 mm. Go to feature and select extruded boss face, make it 10 mm in the reverse direction. Click OK. Again select this face and select line, this point. Create the same parallelogram like previous. Make these parallel. Assign the distance 25 mm. Select, go to feature and select extruded boss face, make it 10 mm. Make direction reverse. Okay. Now the part has been created. Now go to appearance and assign some material, steel, polished steel. Now save this part. Save as part 6. Thank you for watching our video. For more tutorials, subscribe our channel and drop a like below if you like the video, and for any doubts or any type of assignment or projects, visit McLearners. Thank you for watching.